Call hello, Yahweh Bashim Yahushai, Bashim Yahushai, Rochochodash. Let the elders that rule well be counted worthy of double honor, especially they who labor in the word and doctrine. To the 12 tribes which are scattered abroad. Greeting. Doctors transplant 3D printed ear made of human cells. And they show you the motherfucking diagram, man. Like, goddamn, look at the left, man. That's some neck shit. And then on the right, yo, like, ugh. That looks like, damn, that's some Android shit right there. Alexa, the patient, before the surgery. All right, it says a 20-year-old woman who was born with a small and misshapen right ear has received a 3D printed ear implant made from her own cells, the manufacturer announced on Thursday. Independent experts said that the transplant, part of the first clinical trial of a successful medical application of this witchcraft, or technology, if you would, was a stunning advance in the field of tissue engineering. All right, it goes into like blah, 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 blah. Like, anyways, but yeah, y'all got the main point of this story. Like, wow, that's. And the thing is, this is just an article that was released to the public. So now your average Joe can go get an ear, and this what now she has a fake ear, but she's gonna play it off like it's real. This is conditioning the people to merge themselves with technology. Now she's gonna think that this technology gave her a new life, new confidence. It didn't do shit for her. It didn't wake her up. All it did was put her deeper into sleep, because now she's gonna engage more in the world. When she had her ear on the left, she was probably hating the world, hating going out, felt so subconscious, probably wore hoodies and shit with the hood up, or like a burqa or some shit, whatever. You know what I'm saying? But then with this technology, and you could see like it's just fucking odd. But this is what's going to be happening. And you're gonna have people. This is what's gonna build the connection between the non-elect, like the people that are in darkness, and Esau Edom, which is the biblical name of the so-called white man, right? Like Esau Edom is the one that caused the left ear, just by what he does in the air, blah 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 blah, etc. etc. So now in the chaos, he comes with so-called order and gives her a fake ear, that not knowing that fake ear will probably lead to her getting brain tumors. They show you this shit with bitches that get breast implants. Like, yeah, when they put the plastic in and shit, like there's bitches that like get breast cancer, right? But for those first little while that they get them, they feel so-called more confident. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's all just vanity. Malak Shalom, or King Solomon in English, just said, vanity, vanities, saith the preacher or the prophet, which is King Solomon. All is vanity. So let's get the script. This is Job chapter 13, verse 4. But ye are forgers of lies. This is talking about Esau Edom. Ye are all physicians of no value, man. They are like, what is the value in this? Nothing. There is no value in this. All this is just an advertisement ad. You know what I'm saying? That's all this fucking is. An advertisement for wickedness. Use a woman with a soft complexion hue. You know what I'm saying? They probably had to use bare Photoshop. It probably looked like they had to wait 30 days. So imagine what it looked like day one. It probably looked like disgusting. And this is only after 30 days, right? And the thing is, she still probably can't hear out of the ear. So, like, it's completely cosmetic. It's not real. But that's the type of people this is the type of mentality the non-elect have. They engage in the world. They like this type of shit. Like what the fuck, right? So, we're going to go to Jeremiah 17, verse 5. Thus saith the Lord Yahweh Bashkim Yashai, cursed be the man that trusteth in man, right? This bitch is fucking cursed because she trusts in, those physicians and the application that she had to sign where they said, yeah, I mean, there are chances you could die, but, with medical science being as advanced as it is, you know what I mean? All that fucking bullshit. right? They probably made her sign a legal waiver, so if she does experience issues, she can't sue. Like, oh, like, you know what I'm saying? Like a whole bunch of bullshit, right? And on top of that, she probably gets no percentage of the profits that they're gonna make because of, you know, they're using her likeness to show off this technology. You know what I mean? They have no value. How can a carnal physician give you value when our issues are spiritual? You know what I'm saying? But you know, Lord wills on the elect because that's the type of the elect, the mentality the elect have. Their minds are spiritual because the mind that is in you, how should I let it be in you? You know, like roughly paraphrasing, the mind that is in you, how should I let it be in you? You know, so and maketh flesh his arm, and whose heart your lob departed from the Lord Yahweh from your side. Like, I'm not saying this bitch is an Israelite, but you know, you're gonna have Israelites that are gonna be wrapped up in shit or on some that bitch, that bald bitch Jada Pickett Smith. You're gonna be entangled in. You're gonna have an entanglement with Esau. You know what I mean? You do nah. Like, the elect. So sorry if I slipped in the tongue, slock it. But yeah, the elect aren't gonna fuck with this, man. But the non-elect are gonna fucking love this shit. They're gonna fucking love this shit. Their hearts completely departed from the Lord to the point where their hearts inclined unto Esau. So basically, you're departing from spirituality to go to carnality, which makes absolutely no sense. But remember, Yahushua said this is a wicked generation, and they like signs and shit. Like, you know, they like to see and feel, and like they're literally like Edomites. Because Esau is all about the flesh. So that's why 2/3 of Esau and the heathens, they all go perfectly together. But the elect, we go perfectly with each other because we're into the spirit, man, of Yahushai Ruach HaKodesh. You know what I'm saying? So with that, I hope you're edified. Shalom.